Good morning, everybody. I had promised in my last lecture that I will give you some data and information regarding the development and the progress of various public sector undertakings after their inception and their contribution to the society, to the nation, and even to the world community. So I was talking especially about Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. It came into existence in 1942. It was a private sector. Then it was converted into a public sector in 1964. So, as far as the progress and development is concerned, its contribution to the nation is tremendous. As on date, it has got 21 production units where all types of aircraft, right from transport aircraft, helicopter, fighter aircraft, light combat aircraft, MiG series, all are being manufactured for the defense of the country. All the productions, all the products of HL are world class, and there is a large amount of export also to the various countries. It is the largest organization in Southeast Asia. It has continuing development in the R&D center. It has got 11 R&D centers spread throughout the wherever divisions are there. It has got all this complex is spread over 8 locations in the country. Its contribution during the peace time and during the normal period of time, and even their contribution during the war time, has always been a tremendous and a fantastic. How can we think of sacrificing such type of institutions? It is a consistently profit-making Maharatna, outstanding performer public sector undertakings. It is employing direct employees are more than 28,000 at the various centers, and indirect must be running into lakhs. You see the Bangalore complex, the type of township, the hospitals they have developed. It is wonderful. It has got that level of, and even during the peace time, during this Corona period, when the nation was fighting for Corona, and they had participated in developing the temporary as well as permanent infrastructure for looking after the Corona patients. They had developed certain masks, certain specific masks to be used for treatment, for inspection of the patients by the doctors, and it has been appreciated by the entire nation. These are what Pandit Nehru used to say. These organizations are the temples where the people would think, would desire and wish to visit. And these beautiful centers, how can we think of destroying them? How can we? And you tell me, if you compare in the private sector, can you even think of any private sector which has established that level of centers? They have even centered, they have even established, some of the public sectors established an engineering college also, schools, colleges, all subsidized the contribution to the society. You see that this is an outstanding company. You take the case of Bharat Electronics. This is also Maharatna company. You go to then BHEL, Steel Authority of India. There are 20 companies which are Maharatna, and the contribution to the nation is unparalleled, and nobody can think of destroying these temples. I request to the government with my folded hands, kindly spare these temples, and thereafter what happens? We have allowed these multinational companies to come in and work in the country. What is their contribution? How much they have developed the infrastructure? What is their contribution to the society? They are only taking some rented buildings and there they are establishing. And even now, they are even thinking of allowing the people to work from home. They are not even constructing one building. So these are all somebody's contribution. Let us bear it. With this, I will continue my next lecture tomorrow. Till then, kindly cooperate with me, help me so that this channel can subscribe, and your contribution, your help to me has been tremendous. I am extremely elated by seeing your contribution. To my all of you are once again requested, kindly subscribe to my channel, kindly like it and comment on it. Your comments are valuable. They will be able to, they will be used as an inspiring tool. Thank you very much.